Alright, this is Aaron with Pinky's Locksmithing. So the customer has a fob that the dog ate. So here we are making a new fob. We're making the emergency key. And we're going to go ahead and test it in the door, make sure that it works, and it does. It works perfectly. Now we're in the vehicle and we're programming with the Autel KM100. And we're holding up the fob to the start button, and we're following the prompts given to us by the KM100. And we're going to hear the door locks cycle, and then we're going to continue to follow the prompts. Okay, and the customer only wants that one key. So we're going to click no, we don't want to add any other keys. Alright, making sure that the blinkers are on, and they are. We're going to go ahead and start the vehicle. Vehicle starts and runs. And we're going to grab our fob and we're going to test the keyless entry functions. And everything's working good. Thank you.